Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Twitch application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If your Twitch application is not working as well as it is supposed to, or if you are facing some major issues, then this might be because you are not updated to the latest version. So in order to fix this, open up the Play Store or the iOS App Store depending on your device. Now once it is opened up, tap on the search box and then type in Twitch and start your search. Once you find the Twitch application, go ahead and tap on it, and if you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just tap on the update button and wait for a little while until all of the updates are installed. Once the update is installed, you will see the open button once again, which means that the update is completed. You can then tap on the open button and you will notice that the Twitch application is now running very smoothly without any errors, as it is running on the latest updates. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the latest updates on the Twitch application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.